Okay, so I was starting the charts and I just had a big aha moment for myself, as Naveen would say. Now, this might seem pretty basic to most of you, many of you, but still, for me, after watching his recent MPA version 2.0, this is a big revelation to me. So, we are all like, okay, after the last move, uh, you wait for prices to come back to closer to where the move started, with all the rubber band man analysis, all the digestion and everything. So uh, the previous day after this happened, this was London, I think. This was after London, at the beginning of New York. This move took off from here. So, if you're if I have learned anything, I would be waiting for prices to come back closer to here, over around this area, so that I can buy again, buy with the big boys, as Naveen keeps telling us. So after all these moves, this was Asia high and low. After this move and after this is the start of London, where London breaches Asia low, and over here we had this trade, um, this one. After we had this move brings us closer to this price we were waiting for. So now we should be buying, right? So let me start from here. In fact, let me go to the 5-minute chart. It will be easier to see these things. So let me start from here. So this big move over here, it comes down up to here, up to this price level 1.3000, and then we see this green candle, this small green candle. So according to Navin, we cannot buy here. It's it's it was this big move downwards was a large bite from the rubber band man, and we need to digest it. And for that to happen, we need some retracements, a range. We are supposed to see a range, and then within that range, we'll have to see the momentum of the rubber band man die out before we can enter to buy. So let's go through this chart candle by candle. So after this green one, the next candle brings us here. So it doesn't uh, mean anything yet. So this move, this can't be all the rubber man has to do. I'm waiting for this to go up more. So let's go to the next one. Next one, it didn't move much. So I might also think that maybe this is a holding area for this price to go down further. But then Naveen has trained me to not enter these trades, not chase these ones. So let's wait. The next one, prices go up. Okay, is the rubber man done? I don't know yet. So let's see what comes next. It goes up more. comes very high. So after this one, I'll need to see some action from the sellers. The sellers need to digest what this bite. So let's see what the sellers do. Okay, there is one red candle, but then there's another green one. Uh, Sorry for that. My cats are just trying to be friendly. So where were we? There's another green one. So it's coming in deep again, trying to trying to breach this from where this guy started. So let's see. Over here we see another one. The next candle we see another green one, and the next one is a red one. Do we enter here? I don't know. Well, according to the digestion theory, I should wait. All this cannot be digested in one candle. Let's see. It goes further down and then comes back up again. What's this move? That's a big strong move. So I can't. Do I sell it now? Is the rubber band man done? Doesn't seem so. Is the digestion done? It seems like he took another bite. He ate more. So he needs to digest more. Can I sell yet? No. So let's go further. Okay, another red candle. I don't think the digestion is done. Another green one. Okay, it's coming back up. It's trying to go above this breach. This range breach. So it's challenging it. What about the next one? Okay, I think this means the digestion has begun. So should I enter now then? But over here, this was creating higher lows. No higher highs, but higher lows. Actually, after these things created higher highs and higher lows, there is no higher high. There are over here it started ranging. So if I have learned anything, I need to buy as close to this place as possible, but I don't know it's gonna keep going up. So let's check again. What about the next candle? The next candle, okay, it stopped. This move stopped. So does it go further down? No, it's going back up. Can I buy it? Okay, it tried to go back up, but it hasn't gone above this one. So after seeing this candle, I think if I enter here, I should be safe. Let's check what happens. Let's take this tool and let's enter a short here. If I enter a short here, let's keep going further. Okay, so this one went up a bit and then came back down. So I'm in the green. Then let's go farther. I'm in the green. I'm holding in the green. Go back farther. Okay, down, down, down. um oh, I'm sorry, we were waiting to buy and I went for a sell. That's I see how easy it is to become misguided. Let's delete this. So I was waiting to buy. Let's start from over here. Okay, so over here the sellers came down and the buyer came back again. hmm. Let's redo this. Okay, so over here it came back down, so I am the buyer, I'm looking to buy. So the the seller rubber band man came down up to here, and okay, so the buyers are coming in. So the buyers are coming in. Is it time for me to enter yet? So this buy move has come. It hasn't breached. So I need a breach over here to tell me that it's time. But buying over here means if it goes down like over here, I'll be in the red. So I need to see if it comes back down over here near this place, so that I can get the best possible price. Okay, so it came down here, went back up, trying to come down a bit. Uh, he took another bite, so the seller took another bite, so need to start digesting. I think this is the start of digesting. um, let's see. Okay, another green one. Okay, this looks like it's trying to breach. Let's see what the next candle does. Okay, drop. Good. This means, um, although this seems like a strong move, it's making me happy because I need the prices to be as low as this place. So let's see what happens after this one. Okay, so green one, prices are going up. Do I enter here? What does the next candle do? The next candle is doing this thing. So what if the prices never come down here? How about I enter here? So if I go long, let's say this candle, see how it works. Okay, so it came back down, which means the sellers, the digestion is not done yet. This hasn't been digested yet. So okay, let's go. Okay, its prices are coming lower. Prices are coming lower, and the next one. Okay, it's they're holding at the bottom of this range. I should I should have gone somewhere over here to get the best price, but I entered there. So I'm in the red. Remember, this is stressful. So I'm in the red. I'm in the red. I'm in the red still. Okay, so here's another green candle. So if it gives if it doesn't come down any lower from this place, that means it's time to buy. Let's see what happens next. Okay, good, a green one. Okay, there's some, yeah. Okay, so here this actually breached this, yeah, this range. So now it's causing me concern. Will prices go back up again? Will I make a profit from this trade that I entered here? So I'm feeling all sorts of things: fear, nausea, headache, stomach bugs, everything. I'm like, okay, so I'll just, at this point, I'll just close this trade as soon as it comes to break even. This is too much for me. So let's see. Prices come back into this range. Okay, good. Prices hover there. Okay, it's in this candle, it's very close to my break even. I'm considering closing my trade with a small bit of loss. Then this happens. It comes back down. Oh crap. What should I do? It comes down farther. Oh man, this is gonna hit my SL for sure. Okay, comes back up hard. Okay, so now I'm thinking, okay, it's less of a loss, not at break even, but it's less of a loss. Shall I wait? Okay, let's wait. Okay, good. Prices are very close to break even now. And this one, oh, it's just dipped up. Oh, thank God, prices are at break even. I close the trade over here. I close the trade over here, and okay, I'll just do this. Oh, come on, how big is this thing? Yeah, I closed at this. So you already saw it, but I close here, and then this happens. The move finally takes off. So see what happens when I enter early. So what I need is for this cell to be digested. So this was a big move, a big chunk of a big bite needed to be digested. So this was the first step towards digestion. The sellers tried again. It digested a bit more. The sellers tried again. The sellers tried, but this time look at this move. They tried a bit, came back. They tried a bit more, came back up all 100%. They tried again, this time going as close to this bottom of this range, but look how it came down. It came down here, went back up, came down here, went back up a bit, down, sellers trying again, then came back into this range, then tried a bit more to bring it down, then came back further in. So this is the region I needed to execute my trade from. This region. I can't be 100% accurate. I can't wait for this candle. I mean, I'm not experienced enough to wait for this candle. But I should. This is what I should try to do. I should try to wait for this candle. So I still don't know. I mean, over here, this could be a downward move again, which should make me happy. But as you have seen earlier, in the midst of studying all this, I forgot that I was waiting for a buy, and over somewhere over here I hit a sell. So see how easy it is to be misguided by what's happening on the charts and forgetting what you had planned. This is a perfect example of how you can lose money if you do not have enough experience, if you do not keep track of what you have been thinking, what you have been planning. So I have to be very, very careful next time I'm trading. I have to keep my head straight, keep my plans straight, maybe a few hundred post-its all over my laptop telling me what I had planned. I don't know, whatever will help me be successful in my trading. So this is it. This is what I wanted to show you guys and myself in the future if I ever think of stopping trading again after a few losses. So good night.